Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. This was recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is that we'll pluck a new car out of our new car inventory and we'll put it in loaner car service for about a year, then we'll retire it. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles just like this one was for extended service days. And now this one's available for sale of only 13,404 miles, pretty low mileage for an 18, and it is also Infiniti certified, which you can only get from a new Infiniti retailer like us. So if you're in the market for a QX60, this low mileage example is definitely worth a look. It's been in our care our whole life since it was new, one owner, clean Carfax. And I'll let you in on a little secret, 2019, 2020, really not that many changes on the QX60. They are gonna, I think, redesign it and maybe skip to the 2022 model year. So if you like the options and color combination, you can park this right next to a brand new 2020 and you're really gonna have a hard time telling them apart. So a lot of car for your dollar and low miles, certified pre-owned. It has a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers 1,400 components. You get roadside assistance, trip interruption, you get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days, and your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, backup camera, 360-degree around view monitor, Bose sound system, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Beautiful color combination in black on black. If you're in the market for a mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating, the QX60 is an excellent choice. They had families in mind when they're developing the QX60. This is a very popular vehicle for our customers with larger families, but want to still have something luxurious and comfortable to drive. The second row seats, they slide back and forth. They recline. You have rear climate control. Third row space is not too bad as well. Power rear liftgate. The third row seats fold pretty much flat. The second row seats fold fairly flat as well, allowing lots of cargo space for those big trips to Costco. A little bit extra storage into there. The QX60 features intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% front-wheel drive. The reason they have that front-wheel drive bias is because if the all-wheel drive system's working all the time, it's going to chew through your tires faster and it's going to reduce your gas mileage. So that's why they have that front-wheel drive bias. But as soon as those front wheels slip, it can very quickly, almost instantly, send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the rear wheels for excellent non-slip starts and slippery weather. It's going to do a lot better in the snow versus front-wheel drive, which is standard on these. All-wheel drive is optional. Most of the QX60s you find in our inventory will be all-wheel drive since it's a more popular in our neck of the woods. The heart of the QX60 is this award-winning VQ series engine. My 2005 G35 has a version of this engine. It's proven to be very reliable. First major tune-ups not till 105,000 miles thanks to platinum tip spark plugs. It features maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the costly replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are designed to last the service life of the engine about 300,000 miles. And I can tell you, after working for Infiniti retailers for 15 years, I've seen many variations of these engines in different Infiniti and Nissan products coming on trade or for service with 200, 300,000 miles still running excellent. So it's not a pipe dream that these things can go 300,000 miles. I've seen many of them do it, and it's one of the reasons why it's considered to be one of the best V6s you can get in the United States. Beautiful lines on the QX60. If you're in the market for a family vehicle, luxury car comfort, excellent reliability, lots of warranty. This QX60 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.